small streamers like me who might not have viewers or people that can edit clips or highlight videos for you while you're streaming, I have an awesome tool for you if you stream through OBS. First step, your Twitch pulled up, and you want to go to your profile picture and go to Creator Dashboard on Twitch. Once that pulls up, you want to go to your Stream Manager. Once that pulls up, you will see over to your right hand corner, you have a thing called Quick Actions. Quick Actions will have a couple things added to it already, but what you really want is you want Clip Dat and Add Stream Marker. So if you don't see that there, you need to hit the Add button here, and you should see it. It'll say Clip Dat and Add Stream Marker. Once you have those added, you're good. You can go back to OBS. Alright, now that you're back into OBS, to get this Quick Actions bar onto your OBS, what you want to do is you want to go to View. Docs, you want to pick Custom Browser Docs. Put your doc name. I name mine QA for Quick Actions. You pick this URL, pause the video so you can get it down. Instead of having my username in there, you will have your Twitch username, of course. You will hit apply and then close. Now you will see that it's not on your OBS. What you have to do now is go back to view, go back to docs, and go into checkmark QA or whatever you named yours. Once you do this, you can now clip something during your stream, or you can highlight something during your stream. What I usually do is I add a stream marker, because what it does is when you go back and edit videos on Twitch, it adds a little marker and a line and marker in your highlighter so that you know where that clip that you got during stream is at. Makes it easier for you. If you found this video helpful, please think about dropping me a follow and a like. I'd really appreciate it, and hopefully we can get these clips out and blow up together.